everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
This time we're both in front of the camera. Isn't that weird?
It's kind of crazy.
We have magic camera person behind. So today we're making stick people. So look at, they're made with yarn and sticks. I saw this on Pinterest actually. It was from Mini Mad Things. They made this. I wrote to them and said I was going to use it. I love this.
Fancy.
So what they are, and now I can't stop seeing them. It's a Y stick.
Mm-hmm.
So you see this, and then a plain regular stick. So every time now when I go on walks and I see this, all I can see are people because now I've got them in my yard.
Miss Kate has about 10 of them in her yard, all different sizes. They're very fun.
I just love them. And this one's going to be added in today. So what you do is you take your sticks and some yarn.
That's interesting.
It's very, oh my goodness. Okay, you're going to wrap, so camera lady, you may want to come in closer so you can see what I'm doing here, just so you know. We're going to wrap the yarn around the sticks. So when you're putting it on, you're going to wrap around this way, and then you're going to go back around
It's
the
like
other
you're
way.
making an X.
Yes, you have to make X's on this because you want those arms to stay on. Otherwise, you know, he'll be armless, and that would be sad.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's on pretty well. Now I'm going to do the arms by wrapping all the way to the end.
You're pretty fast at that. I think you've had
I
a little
am.
practice.
Well, I also was going to say maybe it was on like those Fastmo cameras, even though it's not. Okay, then I'm going to go back.
Oh,
So now he's got really, you know, he could be out there in cold weather because he's got a nice sweater on.
very nice.
Or she.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, maybe this time I'll make it, I'll make a different clothes on it. Okay, then I'm gonna do my X again just to make sure that the arms are on. And then I'm gonna do the other side. And then I'll show you how to do pants. So I'm gonna do this all the way over, just wrapping, wrapping, wrapping. And you can do this with, you know, if you've got yarn around your house, you could maybe get some old yarn. Like this yarn came from my sister Teresa, who loves to knit and crochet, but she ends up with end pieces, so she gives them to us. Thank you, Aunt Cookie.
Shout out to Aunt Cookie.
Yes.
Woo woo!
And then
Do you need
we,
some help with scissors? I'm feeling like I want to help.
okay, wait, how about if we just let Miss Hazel do the next part, because she's very anxious to do something.
I could work on the hair at the same time. You would take your fingers together and wrap it around. I don't know, I'm doing it about like maybe 5 times, and then cut it off. And then I'm gonna cut an extra piece of yarn, like it looks like a 0. I'm gonna tie it around. Do different kinds of hair. And then I'm gonna cut the edges. My person has interesting hair.
Could you make it really long hair and braid it or something too?
Yeah,
do
you
that?
could do that. Oh, I should have
Turn
done
into
that.
a ponytail.
This is the
something like
twin
that.
of your friend that you just
Okay,
made.
they're just wearing opposite clothes.
Okay.
Okay,
Some hair.
so now back to this. We've done the shirt, and now we're going to add on the pants. So to do that, I've got this edge here, but I'm gonna weave right over it, so then I don't have to worry about anything falling off. I'm gonna go over it and over it, and then I'm gonna go down one leg
Oh,
and back up the other leg. I know I was gonna make different clothes. but I
maybe
didn't.
you were feeling skirty today.
I was kind of feeling skirty, and then I changed my mind because you said it was the twin. I was thinking that they would just have opposite clothes, so you knew if it was
Maybe they could have shorts
Tom
on.
and Tim or Tim or Tom. Okay, so then go all the
Today
way
our
to the bottom.
cameraman is a family member.
Cameraman, really?
Yeah, camera woman.
Okay, so then we're gonna go back up, and then we'll go back around the other side to finish off the clothing. But I'm gonna stop right here because we're gonna show you this next part. Now, if you have a hot glue gun, you can hot glue the eyeballs on and the hair up on top. Or if you have tacky glue, You could,
I had, but I lost my one job, my one moment in the camera, and I lost my tacky glue.
I don't know what happened to tacky glue. We had tacky glue here. Oh,
there
there it is.
Oh, thank you, cameraman.
Okay.
Woman.
So you can use tacky glue to, I know it's hard to, you gotta get it all the way down to the bottom. There you go. You can use tacky glue, you just have to wait for it to dry. And we can put the,
hair too.
put the eyeballs on.
Ugh, it's very
And then
squeezy.
in Mini Mad Things, they suggested using a knife or something like that to cut the mouth, but I'm gonna show you this other way we can do it too.
Cut hair. Aw, so cute.
Okay, but I'm gonna use a Sharpie or
We love
a permanent
Sharpies.
pen, and I'm gonna draw a mouth on it like that. And then, when it's all done, you can go find a really fun place to hang it up. Like mine are all attached to my fence in our front yard,
Yeah.
because we like them. Okay, so thanks for
for joining
us for
us.
making yarn stick people. Hooray, thank you so much. And so if you like this video, be sure to follow us on Instagram or subscribe to our YouTube channel, Alameda Arts. Thanks, bye.
Bye.